How to copy Instagram caption. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can copy Instagram caption. In order to copy your Instagram caption, first of all, update your application. After that, log into your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, let's go ahead and look for the caption. So let's go with this particular caption. If you want to copy the caption, what you'll need to do is, first of all, you need to take a screenshot of this particular image. After that, you need to go ahead and tap on the edit button. If you don't, then you can just go ahead and access it from your gallery. After that, you need to go ahead and tap on the crop button. Now crop the image or just select the caption that is right on top. After that, click on save copy button, which is located right at the bottom. Once you're done making changes or once you're done editing the image, you'll need to exit your Instagram application, open up a web browser, and after that, on the web address bar, you need to type in or paste in the link that is onlineocr.net. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After that, it's going to take you to this page where the image is converted to a text. You need to go ahead and select file first of all. That is step number 1. So access the file where you have you'll need to select the language that you wish to apply for this particular caption. Select either one of this language. You have a lot of options. So for now, I'm just going to go with the English word. After you've done that, you'll need to select whether you want to do it on Microsoft Word or Excel or text plain. So just tap on text plain. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on convert. Now this converter process might take a while, so you'll need to wait patiently until the process is completely over. As you can see that the image has been converted. Now you'll need to tap on it. After that, you need to adjust the image and click on copy. Now you can go ahead and paste in the text wherever you want. So in this way, you can copy Instagram caption. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.